So today I have got OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z Bass Edition Reverb Red. So we will be unboxing it. Let's see the features. School, right? Box of school, yeah. So first of all, we'll tear this plastic. And from where to open? Here? No. Here. Yes. Where from here? Pull this out. Okay. Sound you can feel. So here is our wireless bullets. Really cool. It's black and red color, isn't it? Oh, that's a tape over it. There, and the tape. Yes, there you go. This the quality of buds. It's very amazing. This is also covered with plastic. Here we have logo of OnePlus. Let's open this. There we have plus volume button. And this is a center button for on off. So now let's see. This is very much flexible. You can put it in pocket also. Now let's check what's here. Charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 10 hours. Okay. Box is really nice. Oh, charger, cable. That is C-type. Okay, and there we have Red Cable Club card. Then we have manual. Okay, and yeah, extra words. Pair of extra word. That's it. So now we will pair this with my device. Obviously I'm shooting it, so I won't be able to show it on my mobile, but let's start. Wait, so over here you'll see the notification. Wait, I will start my Bluetooth. Let me go to Bluetooth. For it guys, I'll be doing screen sharing so you guys can get an idea. See, here we are having so many options: autoplay, smart answer for Bluetooth, speak caller ID, Google TTS voice data, and notification ringtone in earphones. This is Bluetooth volume, absolute volume. So these are the features for our OnePlus Bullet Wireless. Okay, so let me go to video now. Now we will check this. So this is on. This light. This is off. This is on. Now let's check music. Music. Play music in my Bluetooth. If you're able to hear the sound, it's really amazing. Good bass system. Okay, that's it. So that was the unboxing of OnePlus Bullets. That is of mass version. So you can have a look at it. It's really amazing. You can ask any question if you have in comment section. Thank you.